Welcome back to Lucky Beach Slots. Today we are in Las Vegas. We decided to take a drive to Flamingo. We have been gambling there on and off on our past few trips. However, we have not checked out the Flamingos in a really long time. So I decided, why not? Let's do it. In late 1945, Bugsy Siegel and his partners came to Las Vegas. Why Las Vegas, you ask? Because of its legalized gambling. Siegel originally purchased Al Cortez on Fremont Street, but his plans were kind of turned sour because city officials became aware of his criminal background. So he and his partners started looking for another site to work on, which is how the Flamingo became. And that's why you see the Bugsy Siegel Memorial as well as other Bugsy Siegel themed spots in the casino. Now this is the main reason we decided to come to Flamingo today, to check out all the flamingos. The funny thing is, while I was recording, we became aware of two handlers. One was in the water and one was up behind the trees in the back near the flamingos on the right-hand side. They were running after not a flamingo, but a duck who had escaped. He was gonna go to the veterinarian for a checkup, and it was just a checkup. Nothing bad was going on with him or anything, but I think he knew that that's where he was going, and he didn't want to be caught, so he took off running. I decided to go ahead and include this clip here in its entirety. You can kind of see him running along the side at one point, and then towards the end, he kind of swims off and flutters away. It's pretty funny. It's really cute, and I'm not sure if they actually caught him or not eventually. This gorgeous garden courtyard houses the wildlife habitat, which features those Chilean flamingos, ringed teal ducks, koi fish, turtles, a whole bunch of other birds as well. And it used to be the home of penguins, but they've been relocated to the Dallas Zoo. And here you can see some of the Art Deco style reminiscent of the style in Miami and South Beach. After all of the excitement with the flamingos and the duck, we decided to go inside and play some slots. We're playing Buffalo, guys. Got our press that play button. There we go. See what we can get up here. Look at that grand, oh my gosh. That's loud. So those are our progressives. Alright. Mini one. Woo-hoo. We got the mini. Show you guys the progressives again because that was a little close. We're so close. Here we get the bonus wheel plus the mini. Oh, let's see. Mini one plus bonus wheel. Spin to multiply jackpot. That it's a little like a railroad spike nail up there. This looks like the highest was what, 10 bucks? We got 5. Mini 1 times 5. This game is super loud. Okay. Let's spin it again. Go for that super. The 578 bucks. What do we get? Oh, 10 free games. Hey, not bad. I want to see some buffalo. Zoom back out a little bit. $6. Buffalo. $3. One more. Oh. You got some 10s. Let's get a re-trigger. Oh, it just like slid right past. One more. Yes! One more. Oh. 5 free games. $4 for the 9s. Oh man, buffalo. Oh, another re-trigger. $12 times 2. So 24 bucks for the queens. Are we gonna re-trigger again? Yep. And we are max betting. Let's get a screen of buffalo. $2 for the 9s. see what we got. There's some buffalo. All right. So we won 140 bucks on a 375 bet on Buffalo Grand.